Kayo yadi tiar bala shna da kikti ba than jing than kaba tip kum ka Craft Bazaar kaba arts ngi kaba pelong da ka National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong ha sauli kalapan iya ka jirus pa ka jilla bat kiwi ki jilla chong ka than chatai la mingi ha ka pynmih ïaki mar babun jan ya gani kayo yadi thiet la ple pat ba ya ka ha ka khandru tarik laber da u Director Textiles and Handicrafts ka sarkar Arunachal Pradesh u haj dodong Udodong ulayaro ya ka National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong kabla pelong ya ka Craft Bazaar ban ple lahat ya ki nong than nong thaw ban pen inam ya ki tiar kitar ki jan kinep baharu kam ban die ki ha ka ne kayo
Handloom handicrafts in India we are having more almost 90% and 5% GDP is from the textile. Then handloom is 90%, 60% of handloom product. This handicraft product is from Northeast. See, we are contributing more in country level also. And to do that, and for making it more product, we have to do such institution as NIFT institution has to bring that product on others, and they should be impart the technique knowledge others to our artisans. They should give the awareness to our villagers. Then only we can have a more products. So that products, unless we make it traditional touch and others making, we cannot compete the multi-millionaire factories, multi-millionaire meal product. But if we have a traditional touch in your product, even in any kind of handloom and shirt and garment or any store, anything, even in that handicraft, if it is have a traditional touch, it would be traditional value with traditional culture value, traditional value. Then if it is product is though limited, but it will be have a distinctive visibility in the common market. So bring it our product into visible, tangible in the common market. It is we are depending institute like NIFT and they are students of NIFT. So we are hope to have more knowledge, more ideas, because you have having the technologies, having that theoretical knowledge, then these artisans, today's participant artisans, and many more artisans are there in the different states. They have doing a practical, then mixing of practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge. Definitely, we will come up one another design. So this we can have a create more vision and create more tangible and visible vision, so that we can keep it and have a sustainable of our products and have a good valuation. We can have a improve our traditional values, and we can have a standard livelihood of the artisans.
Haganigasngi layadon lang u Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture and Textiles baru Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya u Frederick Roy Kharkongor u Campus Director u Shankar Kumar Jha ki balayadon lang hakasngi ple ya ka Craft Bazaar ki nong thau na ki Arpulai clusters jong ka than North East India ki lawan banya shimenta ki katuk ni ki tiar ki balapan ki day na Nagaland ki jan ki balathan la thau day ki bana Aizawl Guwahati bat Meghalaya kani kayo Craft Bazaar kala kunno haka khanyo tarik leber bat la aila di ki padba ki banabar ban thiet ban pet ïaki mar.
Yeah, so my name is I go by Eclipse. So this is my theme for my latest collection is about Art Nouveau, the art movement, and it focuses a lot on vintage jewelry and how the Renaissance had a huge effect on basically the artwork of that period, and this is inspired by that. So I took different elements of cultures, mythologies and fantasies and just incorporated into the product. It depends for per product. So I do not firstly I do not create a single type of piece ever. So each piece, if you get from us, it has a value. So you won't have any other piece. No one else will have the same piece. So each piece takes its own time. So if you're talking about clay, we mold it, we let it dry, then we like paint it, then we layer it with different colors, then we have to place the hooks in place, then we have to cover it with resin, then we have to attach the chains and all of that, and after that's done, so when these all are basically like pieces, so when people come, I can just cut up the ribbon and on the spot I can give them according to their neck length, so they can customize it to their want basically. Like I have my own small business, so I'm selling this on online also, so there is demand. So my target demographic is all the Gen Z, my age group, so they love like something that stands out, because minimalism is a trend in clothing. So having a statement piece, always like if there's a demand in the market, it evolves, and according to the trends we change how the new collection is going to be, depending on the trends, what is happening, forecasting the trends basically.
Ngi base na po laimer umnika tamangila strangni ka kamla kumna dus nam ajar product handai ai tini ka kap kuma pi ni ki marne po ngi bo ki mostly ki kam ki bangi than dia ne po than ri jangi but ki bana shabaru mai kuma asam manipur ai gilong ba ni ki jing than ma than ki sudah Temtas ni jing mu jangan bawan ni kalau mengan promote ya ke brand jala de kemudian tang ke brand what like products ai kenang bukan yo ya ke market linkage kembang dan ni jing mu mengan yarap ki nang than jala kani ka than jingi or like ni ka lipoi ni than jan dia mengan yo nang pen yo ke yo juki bat kanang man penyat yo bat pen supply yang taban pen promote ikini kimajing well ka expectations jangan ta kanong makan nyat bahi kani kam namar kani ni one p one qap states bro ni expect bak ini ki brand quick states bedan mata lam ni sawan ban pagi kini kita jingi ban long ta kin yo knowledge ke bingile ke bingimle ke bingila ban le batki ke bikila ban menyerap mengki kampen ba shu ki bilang ila le do mentah tahu ke kom ila ban yo umdi tang market linkage ba we ke jur ka exchange of knowledge kini mengin ila ban yo nak kalian juki peniat yo yang ni ban kalian jungi ila ban share number dikit
Kadang cuma kadang ada yang dong so serong mana yo ban wan boleh hande ya kyntiew ya kiwairu makin wan ban boleh hande nang bahkan kin pynmih ya kesap mana ai kapang kini Shimpol nada lain version kamai shimpol kabam saukanta ibai lani nadik teng sankanta ibai